We had a good question this week. Is the Scottsdale housing market tanking? In this video, we're going to take a look at rents and how rents can affect if people decide to buy because the rents are getting too high. We're going to take a look at the other market stats and compare the beginning of August to last August. Let's dig into the information. Hi, my name is Michael Smith. Some people call me Smitty. I'm a real estate agent in the greater Phoenix area, Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. By the way, you can click in the link below. We just published a couple books on Amazon and we have a couple more coming. We're giving away a free ebook download. We'll have the link down in the description below so you can get a copy of that book for free. So to find out if the housing market is tanking, we need to look at as much data as we can. One thing that we like to look at is see how quickly homes are selling, and we always want to go back a few years, especially since after COVID, the market was really out of whack with the low interest rates. You can see right now the median agent days on market for Scottsdale right here is just around 30 days. You can see that's down from the last couple months, and you can see it's definitely down from back in 2022. The average list price per square foot, you can see it peaked out right here in March around $495 a square foot. And right now it's trending around $460 per square foot. The next chart I want to look at is sales per month. So this purple line right here is 2023. And I took out 2022, 2021, and 2020. And why did I do that? Because those are not normal markets. A normal market is before we have crazy interest rates and when we don't have COVID going on. Now, normally you see a little bit more of a lag in the summer, and that's what we're heading into here. And you can see that throughout these charts too. So now let's add back in 2020. And again, low interest rates cause a crazy market. The fear of COVID pretty much caused the market to drop down here in 2020. And then you can see it kind of shot right back up. Now let's add in 2021. Now you can see, look at how much higher 2021 was until summer kicked in. And then take a look at 2022, and you can see right here, we went above 2022. Over here, we were below it. Then we crossed above it. It dropped into its normal summer lag, and we're following that pattern right now, and that's our standard season. Average lease price per square foot. People say, well, why do you look at this? Well, there's a lot of people right now around the Scottsdale area that are renting. And pretty much these people like to look at the market. Some of them are afraid to buy right now at the high interest rates. But when they get to a certain range in rent, they will decide to probably buy. Most likely, we know that we're towards the end of the interest rate hikes. We don't know how long it's going to last, but we know that there's more than 50% odds that the rates are going to start going lower at some point in the future. Same thing with the stock market. If we were looking at the stock market right now, you know, we're near all-time highs. The S&P 500 around 4,500. Is now a great time to invest in the stock market? Probably not, because you have fear of missing out and there's a bigger chance of it going down than it going up. Well, with the housing market right now, a lot of people that are renters are weighing out the factors of what their price would be if they were to buy versus rent. I did a little spreadsheet right here. It's just a simplified spreadsheet. I have all kinds of data that I can share, but basically I wanted to compare year over year from August to August. Active listings currently in Scottsdale, 988 versus last year, 1241. So when inventory goes down and demand would stay the same, that would hold prices steady or slightly raise prices. Under contract, we had 419 under contract. We currently have 385. It's down a little bit. Monthly sales, we're up on monthly sales. We had 273 in 22. Right now we're at 328. Even with these high interest rates, people are still buying homes in Scottsdale. And the price per square foot has come down from 2022, which is about when it peaked, to $478 a square foot from 486. So is the Scottsdale real estate market tanking? Not really. It's pretty much holding steady. The one thing that's really keeping it up where it's at right now is lack of inventory. Anybody that refinanced and has a rate under probably 5%, they're not going to sell their home right now because they have nowhere to go. A lot of people are trying to upgrade, but there's not enough homes available where they can go out and get exactly what they want. So for now, they're going to stay put. Don't forget to download the free copies of our 2 new books we just published on Amazon. They're just some tips and tricks for buyers and sellers. To get there, go to soldbysmitty.com, go over to the More section, go to Home Buyer and Seller Books, and then down below you'll have to register to get a free ebook download. If you wanted to buy the books again, you're going to have to go to amzn.com, put in the search Michael Smitty Smith, and you can buy the paperback versions there. We do have everything at a reduced rate right now. Thanks for tuning into the channel today. Have a great day.